Hello everyone and welcome to our exclusive behind-the-scenes look at how BMW creates the sleek and sporty 2 Series Gran Coupé. Today we're taking you inside the BMW Group plant Leipzig, where this vehicle is brought to life with precision engineering, cutting-edge technology, and expert craftsmanship. Stay tuned as we uncover every step of this impressive manufacturing process. The BMW Group plant Leipzig is one of the most advanced automotive production facilities in the world. Opened in 2005, it spans over 2 million square feet and employs more than 5,000 highly skilled workers. This plant is a sustainability pioneer, powered partly by 4 on-site wind turbines and an innovative hydrogen-fueled fleet for material transport. Renewable wind energy generates 26 gigawatt-hour annually. Hydrogen-powered material handling. This focus on sustainability aligns perfectly with BMW's commitment to efficient, eco-friendly production. And right here is where the 2 Series Gran Coupé comes to life. Body shop. The first steps. The journey begins in the high-tech body shop. Sheets of lightweight aluminum and high-strength steel are precision cut and welded by over 800 robots. The body shell of the BMW 2 Series Gran Coupé is designed to combine strength with lightweight performance, essential for its agile handling. Laser welding and bonding ensure exceptional accuracy with tolerances as fine as 1/10 of a millimeter. This meticulous attention to detail gives the 2 Series Gran Coupé its robust structure and dynamic shape. Over 98% automation in body assembly, more than 5,000 welds per car. Paint shop, where style meets protection. Next, the body moves to the paint shop, a fully automated facility designed for maximum quality and minimal environmental impact. BMW's paint process involves multiple stages, starting with anti-corrosion treatments, followed by primer, base coat, and clear coat. Whether it's Alpine White or Melbourne Red, every coat is applied with precision. Advanced electrostatic techniques reduce paint waste while ensuring a flawless finish. Zero-waste paint recycling system. More than 10 custom colors available. This stage not only defines the 2 Series Gran Coupé's stunning aesthetics, but also provides long-lasting protection against the elements. Assembly line. Precision engineering in action. The heart of the process is the assembly line, where skilled technicians and advanced robotics come together. The drivetrain, including the engine and transmission, is precisely mounted onto the chassis. BMW's twin-power turbo engines, available in multiple configurations, deliver both power and efficiency. Inside the cabin, craftsmanship meets technology. Seats, dashboards, and infotainment systems are installed with meticulous care. Every BMW 2 Series Gran Coupé comes equipped with BMW's Live Cockpit Professional, featuring a 10.25-inch digital display and advanced iDrive system. This is also where driver assistance features, including active cruise control and lane departure warning, are seamlessly integrated, ensuring safety and comfort for every journey. More than 100 electronic tests per car. Average assembly time, 40 hours. Preparation of the doors. Before the doors are attached to the body, they are assembled separately in a dedicated sub-assembly line. Components such as window mechanisms, wiring harnesses, door locks, speakers, and weather seals are installed. Precision robots assist in this process to ensure accuracy and consistency. Alignment and installation. The body shell is positioned on a conveyor belt where precision robotic arms pick up the pre-assembled doors. Using advanced vision systems, the robots align the doors perfectly with the body openings. This alignment is crucial to ensure proper sealing, noise insulation, and ease of opening and closing. Hinges are pre-lubricated and bolted into place using torque-controlled tools, ensuring uniform tightness. Final adjustments. Skilled technicians manually inspect the alignment and adjust if necessary to achieve precise gaps and flush surfaces. Sensors and gauges verify that the door fits seamlessly into the body, with even panel gaps and proper functionality. Preparation of the bumper components. Bumpers are molded and painted in a separate facility to match the vehicle's body color. Sensors and fog lights, if applicable, are installed into the bumper assembly. Reinforcement beams and energy-absorbing foam are added to the bumper structure to enhance impact protection. Mounting process. The bumper is brought to the assembly line, either manually or by automated conveyors. Robots position the bumper near the vehicle and align it with pre-installed mounting brackets on the chassis. Fasteners and clips are automatically secured, ensuring the bumper is firmly attached while still allowing flexibility to absorb minor impacts. Preparation of the wheels and tires. Tires are mounted onto the alloy or steel wheels in a separate tire mounting station. Advanced machines ensure the tire beads are properly seated on the wheel rims. The mounted tires are balanced using high-precision equipment, where small weights are added to ensure smooth rotation. Wheel alignment and installation. The vehicle is positioned on an elevated assembly platform. Robotic arms or skilled workers lift the wheel assemblies to the hubs, aligning the bolt holes with the wheel studs. Lug nuts are tightened using torque-controlled tools to manufacturer specified levels, ensuring safety and reliability. Alignment and calibration. The vehicle is moved to a wheel alignment station where lasers and cameras measure the camber, caster, and toe angles. Any necessary adjustments are made to the suspension to ensure optimal alignment for handling, tire wear, and performance. Quality control. No detail overlooked. Every BMW 2 Series Gran Coupé undergoes rigorous quality control before leaving the plant. High-speed tests, suspension calibration, and water tightness checks ensure each car meets BMW's exacting standards. On-site test tracks replicate real-world conditions, ensuring the Gran Coupé delivers its signature sporty performance and smooth ride. High-speed stability tests, up to 150 miles per hour. Precision alignment for wheels and steering. BMW's commitment to excellence means every 2 Series Gran Coupé is ready to hit the road with the perfect blend of performance, style, and comfort. Sustainability and innovation. The Leipzig plant isn't just about production, it's a model of sustainability. The use of renewable energy and innovative logistics reduces the plant's environmental footprint. Even during manufacturing, BMW stays true to its vision of a greener future. 100% green electricity used in production. Hydrogen-powered internal logistics. BMW proves that luxury and sustainability can go hand in hand, setting a new benchmark for the automotive industry. And there you have it, the incredible journey of the BMW 2 Series Gran Coupé from concept to reality, right here at the BMW Group plant Leipzig. With cutting-edge technology, sustainability, and BMW's trademark precision, every car is a masterpiece in its own right. And now, let's have a closer look at the final product. Whether you're a BMW fan or simply in the market for a luxury compact sedan, this is a car you won't want to miss. So, buckle up as we explore everything you need to know about this stunning Gran Coupé. The 2025 BMW 2 Series Gran Coupé is a statement in design. Its low, sporty silhouette, frameless doors, and aggressive kidney grille give it an unmistakable presence on the road. This year's model brings refined LED headlights with a sleeker profile and an updated rear light design for a more dynamic appearance. The car rides on striking alloy wheels, ranging from 17 to 19 inches, with several sporty design options available. The optional M Sport package enhances the car's athletic look, adding aerodynamic accents and exclusive color choices like Portimao Blue and Melbourne Red. Length 4,536 millimeters. Width 1,821 millimeters. Height 1,420 millimeters. Wheelbase 2,670 millimeters. Step inside, and the 2025 BMW 2 Series Gran Coupé greets you with a driver-focused cockpit and premium materials. The redesigned dashboard now includes BMW's latest curved display, seamlessly integrating a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen running on BMW's iDrive 8.5 system. From ambient lighting with customizable colors to upgraded Vernasca leather upholstery, every detail is crafted to elevate your driving experience. Front passengers can enjoy heated and ventilated seats, while dual-zone climate control ensures comfort for everyone. And, if you're a tech enthusiast, the optional head-up display and Harman Kardon surround sound system will make every drive feel like a premium experience. Rear legroom, 900 millimeters. Boot capacity, 430 cubic liters, expandable to 1,200 cubic liters with the rear seats folded. The 2025 BMW 2 Series Gran Coupé offers a range of powertrains designed to cater to different driving preferences. The lineup includes the 218i with a 1.5-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine producing 136 horsepower and the 220i delivering 170 horsepower. For those craving more power, the M235i xDrive takes center stage with its 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, delivering an impressive 306 horsepower and accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds. One of the highlights of the 2 Series Gran Coupé is its exceptional driving dynamics. The car's lightweight chassis, near-perfect weight distribution, and precise steering make it a joy to drive, whether on winding roads or city streets. The adaptive M suspension provides unparalleled control, allowing you to switch between comfort and sport modes with ease. Advanced driver assistance systems, like active cruise control and lane departure warning, further enhance safety and convenience. Parking Assistant Plus with 3D surround view. Active lane keeping assist. Adaptive cruise control with stop and go. Sustainability is a key focus for BMW, and the 2025 2 Series Gran Coupé reflects this commitment. From the use of recycled materials in the cabin to the incorporation of BMW's efficient dynamics technology, every effort is made to reduce the car's environmental footprint. Even the factory where it's built, BMW Group Plant Leipzig, is powered by renewable energy, making this car as eco-conscious as it is stylish. The 2025 BMW 2 Series Gran Coupé is available in several trims, starting at approximately $35,000 for the 218i. The M Sport package adds about $3,000, while the top-tier M235i xDrive is priced around $51,000, offering the ultimate in performance and luxury. With a range of options, there's a Gran Coupé for everyone, whether you're seeking fuel efficiency or thrilling performance. From its bold design to its exhilarating performance, the 2025 BMW 2 Series Gran Coupé truly stands out in the compact luxury segment. If you're looking for a car that combines style, tech, and driving fun, this one deserves your attention. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite feature of the 2025 Gran Coupé? Or, which car should we review next?